Good job. Here, sit. Yes. Good, sit. Down. Yes. Stand. Yes. Good boy. Here, sit. Yes. Brett, down. Yes. Good. Stand. Yes. Good job. Brett, touch. Yes. Leave it. Yes. Good, leave it. Good, leave it, bud. Break. Leave it. Good boy. Good boy. Brett, here. Watch me. Yes. Good, watch me, bud. Good job. Okay. Place. Yes. Good place. Yes. Good place. Break. Boy. Break. Brett, under. Yes, good under, bud. Excellent. Good boy. Break. Good job. Here you go, bud. Pause up. Yes. Good. Pause up. Off. Yes. Good. Yep. Get up. Nice job. Excellent. Good. Get up. Break. Good job, buddy. Good. Get dressed. Yes. That's very nice. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Nice job. Good boy. Okay. Brett, kennel. Yes. Yes. Good kennel. Break. Good boy, bud. Good job. Good boy. Okay. Here you go, Brett. Good job. Okay, let's go. Good boy. Good man. Ah. Good. Good boy, Brett. Here, bud. Right, boy. Close. Yes. Good, close. Brett, here. Good boy. Nice job. Yes. Brett, here. Good. This way. Good. Good boy. Yes. Brett, you. This way. Good boy. Good job. This way. Nice job. Yes. Good job. Good heel. Break. Good job, bud. Brett, come here, buddy. I know, that's exciting. That is. Good boy. Good boy, handsome man. Good job. Okay. Here you go. Brett, close. Excellent. Brett, heel. Good boy. Yes. Brett, heel. This way. Good boy. Good job. Yes. Brett, heel. This way. Good. Nice job. Good boy. Nice job. Yes. Good heel, Brett. Good heel, buddy. Break. Okay, here, bud. Nice job. Sit. Excellent. Stay. No. Come on. Here. Good. Sit. Stay. Down. I know. Good. Thank you. Stay. Yes! Good down, stay. Good boy, break. Good job, come on, bud. Sit. Stand. Stay. Yes! Good, stand, stay. Good job. Good boy, break. Good boy, Brett. Yeah. Brett, fetch. Good boy, Brett. Good job, Brett. Here you go. Bring it, buddy. Excellent. That was good. Good job. Here you go. Brett, boy. Nice job. Now move this over. Yes. Sit. Stay. Brett, come. Yes. Brett, loose. Yes. Beautiful. Break. Good boy. Good job. Good boy, Brett. Very nice. Bretters. Yo, break. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, good job. Good boy, Brett.